everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to zoom in or zoom out on your laptop or PC in Windows. So if you also want to zoom in or zoom out on your laptop or PC in Windows, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So sometimes you might have to zoom in your laptop or you might have to zoom out. If you do not know how to do it, I've got you covered. So what you have to do is look at the bottom. Here you can see search icon. All you have to do is click on it. Now click on the search bar and type magnifier. You can see over here magnifier will be shown. All you have to do is double click on it. Now this kind of box will pop up. Here you can see minus and plus sign. If you want to zoom out, all you have to do is click on the plus sign. The more you click, the more you will be zoomed in. Now if you want to zoom out, all you have to do is click on this minus sign. You can see over here it is zooming out. So that is how you zoom in or zoom out in your laptop or PC on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.